The BOCA Burger. First time I had one of these, it was like cardboard. I ate them, but I didn't like them. And then I said, I'm going to give it another try. So let me show you how I do this, okay? These come out just great. I love them. Hold on a second here, we'll get you all ready. Now, the package instructions on this say to cook like forever and cook them frozen. I take mine out about a half hour before I want to eat them, and I let them thaw out. Now, I'm going to take just a little bit of water, and I mean just a little bit, like that, and smear it around with my finger. And the secret ingredient, liquid smoke. And this stuff makes it taste like you did it right on. I'm just going to add about 3 or 4 drops. Spread it around. Alrighty. I got a pan preheated on medium heat. We're going to take some spray, and I'm going to take that puppy, put it right down, and cover it up. We're going to go just about 1 minute on that side. It's going to cook up plenty hot, like the package instructions say, and that's for their protection in case they got some garbage inside their product. And I'm going to flip it over and finish it out. It's that simple. We're going to take that lid off, flop him over, see it browning up nicely. I'm just going to put a little bit of water on there. Turn that heat off. It's covered, it's going to soak up that, and let it sit for 2 minutes. Alrighty, there we go. 6:02. Let's take this baby off. Yum. And there's going to be one great BOCA Burger. Let's top that thing. I love sliced Roma tomatoes, or fresh real tomatoes if I can get them, but off-season, you know, what are you going to do? Red onion, lettuce, salt, pepper, and this makes a great, great BOCA Burger. Thank you for watching.